Hello, kindergartners. This is Mrs. Sheeler. This week we're doing similarities and differences, and we're going to do it on the same topic, polar bears, two different texts. Our learning target today, I will identify similarities and differences in polar babies, polar bears, and polar bear cubs. I will identify, look for, or find similarities, what is the same, and differences, what is dislike or different in the two texts on polar bears, polar bear babies, or polar babies, polar bears, and polar bear cubs. I know that I am successful if I can write or draw two or more similarities between the two texts, polar babies, polar bears, and polar bear cubs. And I can write or draw two or more differences between polar babies, polar bears, and polar bear cubs. So I'm going to write down on my graphic organizer or draw pictures of two or more things that were alike in both books or both texts, polar babies, polar bears, and polar bear cubs. And I can write or draw two or more differences, things that were dissimilar or not alike, that were different between the two texts, polar babies, polar bears, and polar bear cubs. You can find the links to the book down below, follow the steps in the lesson, and have fun finding similarities and differences between the two texts on polar bears.